So Kira is cutting the steak. These are beef ribeye steaks. And she's cutting them in cubes for the shaking beef. She's doing a really good job, huh? Add a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil. And a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce. So we're gonna cook half of this steak at a time so it doesn't like steam instead of fry. Nice puff. Here's our first batch. Here's the second batch. Just add in garlic and then onions and a little bit of butter. I'm throwing back in the steak just to flavor it with the onions and garlic. Hot, hot, hot. And then just gonna squeeze some lime juice to finish it off. Just some black pepper. And here is our shaking beef with water spinach. I put some boiled eggs here because I like to eat it together. And we're gonna eat this with rice.